Hi, my name is Dave, and my mission is to make Copart the source for buying and selling all your vehicles. Copart's wholesale auction is the cream of the crop of our inventory. These vehicles come from top name sellers, undergo our 65-point inspection, and our green and yellow light inventory get industry-leading 21-day arbitration. On Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. U.S. Central, you will see the full array of bank, repossessed, and fleet vehicles, along with our wholesale inventory. The wholesale auction has dedicated green, yellow, red lanes. If you're looking for vehicles with our arbitration guarantee, the green light and yellow light lanes are for you. If you're looking for as-is inventory, head to the red light lanes. While not eligible for arbitration, these vehicles are backed by Copart's Member Protection Pledge. This is all the inventory you're looking for, all in one place, twice a week. And I'll see you Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. U.S. Central.